Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Alfred here again with another Dewalt unboxing video. This time we have the Dewalt Atomic Compact Series. We have the cordless ratchet at 3/8. Model number is DCF513B. The B just indicates that it's just a tool only, didn't come with the battery. The box got kind of messed up during shipping, but just want to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for everyone. Here's some of the details. A 3/8 ratchet, tool only. Can show you the side here. Tool weight is around 2.4 pounds. Tool only without the battery. Depending on what size battery you put on, it changes the weight. The length is around 14.2 inches. The max torque on spec is 70 foot-pounds. No load, the fastest of 250 RPM. And it has a 3/8 on there. So they do have another version of this. It's exactly the same specs, the same size. The only difference is that that one there is the 1/2 inch. I don't have that model number with me, but I went ahead and used the 3/8 inch just because that's mostly where I personally use. I would need a cordless ratchet like this. Heavier duty stuff, I would probably just use my impact wrench. But anyways, let me pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, take everything out, and I'll be right with y'all. All right, everyone, and we're back. So here is the tool. The Dewalt brushless 20 volt max 3/8 ratchet. It got a soft rubber coating all along the handle, which feels very nice and quality. Here is the trigger and the locking mechanism. At the end here is greased up, which I like to see. There is the spindle to go ahead and switch from reverse and forward. The 3/8 there, as you can see. Here's the model number DCF513 3/8 ratchet, 20 volt max. It feels like a really nice quality tool. Here is the light. Sorry, I was just not focusing right. Here's the light. Let me go ahead and add a battery to this from this angle. All that comes in the box is just the instruction manual, some warranty guide information. I do have some batteries here. We can go ahead and try and kind of see the difference of how that looks. First off, the smallest battery I have would be the older model 20 volt max lithium ion Dewalt battery. This one here is in a 1.5, I believe. Yeah, 1.5 amp hours. So this is the smallest one that I have, but let me go ahead and put it on the tool and kind of see how that looks like. Okay, so I have that one on there. It doesn't look too bulky. It does kind of extend here on both sides here, but it doesn't look too bad. Weight is pretty much the same. Honestly, it doesn't feel that much heavier than tool only. So this is kind of what it looks like with the 1.5 ion battery. Let me go ahead and swap this one out, and we can put in the 2 amp battery. All right, everyone. So this is with the newer version battery. This is a 2 amp hour battery. The newer 20 volt max lithium ion battery. As you can see here on the side, it does protrude a lot more than the other battery. The weight, it kind of feels the same as well. It is bulky in the back, but not too bad. Definitely a lot of torque, RPM. Now, just for fun, I can go ahead and add this 5 amp hour Dewalt battery and kind of see how that looks like. Let me go ahead and switch it out. So here's what it looks like with the 5 amp hour battery, the 20 volt Dewalt battery. Honestly, this is overkill. I don't think anyone would use a 5 amp hour battery on this cordless ratchet. Usually, you know, you don't need a long runtime with these things, but kind of what it looks like. It looks, you know, way too bulky, way too heavy for what the case use is for this cordless ratchet, but it is still heavy in torque, which is I like. So anyways, here's a quick unboxing on the DeWalt 3/8 cordless ratchet. It's a fine tool. I can't wait to use it and apply it for my cars and my mechanical automotive needs. But super happy I got it. And yeah, you can go pick this up at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, wherever you choose. But a pretty good tool. All right, bye everyone.